Imagine waking up in a world where age is no longer just a number, but a defining force shaping entire civilizations. By the middle of this century, much of the Western world will grow old together. Streets once built for families and children will now cater to walkers, exoskeletons, and robotic caregivers. Countries like Japan and China will face the same unavoidable reality: fewer young workers, more elderly citizens, and systems stretched to the breaking point. Healthcare, pensions, and social support networks will struggle under the weight of time itself. To survive, societies will turn to machines not as luxuries, but as necessities: robotic assistants lifting bodies that can no longer lift themselves, and wearable exoskeletons restoring independence where biology begins to fail. But while some parts of the world grow older, others grow younger and faster. Across Africa and parts of Asia, youth will dominate the future. Cities like Lagos, Nairobi, and Jakarta will explode with energy, ambition, and population growth. These megacities will become global centers of labor, culture, and influence. Yet this youth boom will also bring pressure on housing, jobs, transportation, and stability. As northern nations face labor shortages, migration will accelerate, reshaping borders, politics, and global tensions. Movement of people will become one of the most powerful forces of the century. At the same time, technology will quietly rewrite the rules of daily life. Hyperconnectivity will go far beyond smartphones. Smart lenses will place real-time data directly into human vision. Directions, translations, alerts, and personalized information will float effortlessly over reality itself. Augmented and virtual reality will no longer feel like separate experiences. They will merge seamlessly with everyday life. Reality will become layered, filtered, and customized for each individual. And that's where something dangerous begins. Shared reality, the idea that we all see the same truth, will start to collapse. Algorithms will shape not only what we consume, but what we believe. Each person will live inside a personalized digital bubble, curated by invisible systems optimized for engagement rather than truth. Facts will fracture. Narratives will multiply. Reality will no longer be agreed upon. It will be selected. In this new world, identity will also change. Digital selves will become just as important as physical ones. Avatars will represent us in virtual offices, online communities, and immersive digital spaces. Gender, culture, and belonging will be negotiated not only in society, but inside code. Who you are will depend as much on your digital presence as your real-world existence. Then come the companions. Artificial intelligence will evolve from helpful assistants into emotional presences. These AI companions will listen patiently, respond thoughtfully, and remember everything. They will offer advice, comfort, and consistency in an increasingly chaotic world. For many, these systems will become trusted partners in daily life. But as machines grow better at simulating empathy, a terrifying question emerges. If a machine can comfort you, understand you, never abandon you, what separates it from a human relationship? Artificial intelligence will also become the invisible backbone of the global economy. Algorithms will manage supply chains, energy grids, food production, and financial markets with superhuman efficiency. Productivity will reach levels never seen before. Entire systems will run faster, cheaper, and more precisely than any human institution could manage. But progress will not be evenly distributed. Automation will erase jobs at a massive scale. Office roles, factory positions, and even creative professions will shrink or disappear entirely. Newsrooms will be staffed by algorithms. Reports will be written by machines. And millions will be forced to reinvent themselves or fall behind. At the same time, new professions will emerge, roles that sound like science fiction today. AI therapists, neural experience designers, digital ethicists. Power will concentrate in the hands of those who control data. Tech giants will own the algorithms that shape economies, behaviors, and beliefs. Data will become the most valuable resource on Earth. Every interaction, emotion, and decision will be harvested, analyzed, and monetized. Surveillance capitalism will transform human experience into raw material for prediction and manipulation. Privacy will erode quietly, and autonomy may follow. To prevent total collapse, societies will experiment with radical solutions. Universal basic income will move from theory into practice. By guaranteeing basic survival, UBI will sever the ancient link between work and survival. People will no longer work simply to stay alive. Instead, work will become a search for meaning. Creativity, empathy, imagination, and emotional intelligence, the things machines struggle to replicate, will define human value. But even as economies shift, conflict will escalate. Warfare will no longer require soldiers on battlefields. Cyber attacks will target power grids, hospitals, water systems, and communication networks. Entire cities could be paralyzed without a single shot fired. A new Cold War will dominate global politics, one fought with algorithms instead of missiles. The United States and China will compete for technological dominance, dividing the world into rival digital spheres. Standards, platforms, and AI systems will become weapons. Disinformation will flood the internet at unprecedented scale. The generated fake news will manipulate emotions, fracture societies, and undermine trust. Elections will be influenced. Social cohesion will weaken. Truth itself will become unstable. And looming over everything is climate change. What was once a future threat is now a present reality. Rising sea levels will drown coastal cities. Extreme weather will become routine. Water scarcity will turn rivers and reservoirs into strategic assets worth fighting over. Ocean acidification will devastate marine ecosystems, threatening food supplies for billions. Climate-driven migration will reshape nations and strain political systems already under pressure. Once again, humanity will turn to technology for solutions. Fusion reactors may promise clean energy. Solar farms will blanket deserts. Wind turbines will dominate coastlines. Genetic banks and AI-managed nature reserves will attempt to preserve biodiversity. Digital simulations will recreate ecosystems that reality can no longer sustain. Cities themselves will transform into living systems. Sensors will monitor air quality, traffic, energy use, and human movement in real time. Vertical gardens, rooftop farms, and elevated parks will redefine urban life. But surveillance will be constant. Every step recorded, every pattern analyzed. The tension between security and freedom will intensify. Housing inequality will become impossible to ignore. Megacities will showcase towering luxury above sprawling scarcity. Architecture will reflect division, who belongs above and who survives below. Medicine, however, will undergo a revolution. Gene editing will correct diseases at the DNA level. Treatments will be tailored to individual genetic profiles. AI diagnostics will deliver answers in seconds. Lifespans will increase, but access will remain unequal, raising profound ethical questions. Food will be re-engineered. Lab-grown meat will replace traditional farming. Vertical farms will grow crops inside cities using AI optimization. 3D printers will create personalized meals designed for each body's needs. Efficiency will increase. Sustainability will improve. Culture will resist. Work will continue to evolve. Lifelong careers will disappear. People will reinvent themselves again and again. Remote work and gig-based employment will dominate. AI systems will negotiate contracts and manage performance. Offices will fade, replaced by hybrid digital communities. With survival guaranteed, identity itself will become fluid. Who you are will no longer be fixed. Reinvention will define existence. Adaptability will become the most valuable human skill. And in the end, one question will remain. As machines grow smarter, cities grow denser, and realities grow fragmented, will humanity control the future it created or disappear inside it? The future is not coming slowly. It is already here.